Run along, Porch Pirate. Today I'm gonna customize this lampshade to host a Wi-Fi bulb camera. First I need to turn off the power source. So I'm here at the panel box. Oh, here we go. I'm using an AC voltage detector. Like they always say, safety first and safety last. A few moments ago, the wires I'm about to touch with my bare hands were live. And just to be sure, regardless of the fact that the panel switch was turned off, it could have snapped back or it could be faulty. This outdoor lighting upgrade involves more than just replacing the regular bulb with a smart bulb. I also need to swap out the existing frosted cover for a clear glass one to take advantage of the camera's 355 degrees of panning and 120 degrees of tilt. Here you go, guys, the smart camera bulb. It comes with an extra socket in case you need one. You'd have to wire to it, and it uses up to 128 gigabytes micro SD card. This smart camera is designed to screw into a standard light socket, so it is very easy to install. This camera has a wide-angle lens, LED lighting, and a speaker with microphone for two-way voice that can all be controlled remotely via your smartphone or tablet. Thanks to Wi-Fi and cloud storage, you can also set it to record video or take pictures on a schedule. Smart home technology makes your home more efficient and more valuable. If you're looking for a way to keep an eye on your home or business without spending a lot of money, the Symynelec smart camera Wi-Fi bulb may be a good option for you. Click the description below for the link to this camera and a few other products used in this video. See you in this next video.